Aviation provides the only worldwide transportation network, which makes it essential for global tourism, trade, connectivity, and economic growth and development. There are more than 4.7 billion passengers traveling with commercial flights per year. The Federal Aviation Administration oversees more than 16 million flights per year. To assure the safety and efficiency, we need to search and access large amount of information to plan traffic, avoid impact of adversary factors, and alleviate congestion. In this testbed, the OGC API-Features service has been enhanced with the new filtering extension to support the discovery and retrieval of the right information in the right place at the right time. The implementation establishes the live link to harvest and index features continuously from the FAA swim services. The API Features service was enabled with the OpenAPI technology. The OpenAPI definition defines a standard, language-agnostic interface to resources which allow humans and computers to discover and understand the capabilities of the service without access to source code or documentation. This means that every part of the service system can be tested against the specification. The API Features service provides facades for discovering and accessing more than 60 collections of features. There are three groups of features: aeronautical features, flight information, and weather data. Aeronautical features are harvested using the messages in Aeronautical Information Exchange model from the FAA swim services. The model describes the entities and relationships for aeronautical features such as airports, runways, airspaces, taxiways, and terminal procedures. This example shows runway elements. Flight information is harvested using the messages in Flight Information Exchange model. Flight and flow information consists of status and planned information for the complete system of aircraft departure, transit airspace, and flight arrival. It facilitates the interoperable and harmonized systems for the modern air traffic management. This example shows flights departed from or arrived at the airports in Chicago. Weather data are harvested from the FAA swim services using the messages in Weather Information Exchange model. There are currently 28 collections of weather features extracted from the Integrated Terminal Weather System. These features provide information and predictions for precipitation, tornado, airport lightning, storms, gusts, and other weather hazards, such as hurricanes and hails. This example checks if there is any tornado alert between Chicago and New York City during a given period. The API Features service is implemented with the filtering capability. Each collection supports filtering on its selected properties besides spatio-temporal constraints. The queryable description describes the curable properties and their types. This example checks if the Columbus International Airport is affected by lightning hazard during a specific time period using a query in the plain text format of the Common Query language. The filtering parameter can be also passed to the API Features service using the JSON format of the Common Query language. This example shows the same query for the lightning impact on the Columbus Airport to be verified by using the JSON format of equivalent conditions.